Meaning of Derbyshire.
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 Derbyshire. Derbyshire is a term used to describe a county located in the East Midlands region of England. The name is derived from the Old English Deorby, meaning deer farm or village of the deer. The area is known for its rolling hills, picturesque landscapes, and historic landmarks such as Chatsworth House and the Peak District National Park. Derbyshire is also home to various industries, including agriculture, mining, and tourism. Overall, Derbyshire is a diverse region with a rich history and natural beauty that draws visitors from all over the world.